Hello, it's Kayce, Chrome Devtools, technical writer. Okay, so I've got this page air horner, and when I click the horn, you get the air horn sound, and I want to replace that sound with the Wilhelm scream, which is that. So the feature to use is local overrides. First, you have to specify a directory where your override files will reside on your computer. I'll create a new directory on my desktop, LO, and I'll use that. And then you have to give DevTools permission to access the directory. And what you want to do now is pretty much just drop in an audio file into your overrides directory. But the key is that the name of the file and the path to the file has to match the whatever file that the page is actually using. So we have to find out what this audio file is, and it looks like it is airhorn.mp3. A faster way to do it too is just to just make a little change to the CSS. Green, and this little purple dot means that the file got overridden or the override got saved. And if we look in LO now, so we have an airhorner.com directory. So the first level, top level, has to match the domain. And then below that we have styles and main.css as expected. So right now what we need to do is create a sounds directory, and I think the name was airhorn.mp3. So drag it in. So now DevTools, when it reloads the page, it's going to see that this file matches the file name of the air horn, and it should replace it. So when I reload, I think there's actually a bug around service workers that's interfering with the overrides. So I don't think this will work. But if I clear the cache and then do it, I think it works. Yeah, there we go. Cool. All right. Thanks.